Hello everybody! Thank you so much for being here! This is Healthy Yum, where we mix delicious recipes with nutrition and health tips. My name is Alina, and today we are making a very easy and tasty recipe. High protein energy bites, loaded with healthy fats, and so good for brain health. And don't forget to stay till the end, as I'll share a tip with you to add even more nutrition to these bites. Let's start by breaking half cup of walnuts in small pieces with your fingers. You can also use a food processor or a rolling pin. Walnuts are rich in DHA, which is an important omega-3 fatty acid. DHA has been shown to play a role in improving cognition and preventing age-related cognitive decline. In a medium-sized bowl, mix 3/4 cup of hemp seeds, half cup of walnut pieces, half cup of coconut flakes, and a 1/3 cup of cocoa. Hemp seeds have protein, antioxidants, and healthy omega-3s that boost the brain. They also have magnesium, which helps muscles relax. This, in turn, brings a sense of calm and improves the quality of your sleep. Oh, by the way, did you know that tahini paste, which we'll use in this recipe, plays a role in preventing dementia? How awesome is that? Next, in a small bowl, mix half cup of peanut butter, 1/3 cup of tahini, and a 1/4 cup plus 3 tablespoons of maple syrup. Stir and add 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. You can use any nut butter you'd like. I prefer to use organic crunchy peanut butter that has only one ingredient: roasted organic peanuts. Sometimes I use almond butter that has, you've guessed it, only one ingredient: dry roasted almonds. Now fold the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Did you know that peanuts and almonds play a role in preventing cognitive decline that comes with aging? These bites make the perfect snack. Form small bites with your fingers and roll them in coconut flakes. You'll notice that the bites are soft, but don't worry, they will firm up in the fridge. Did you know that coconut flakes can give your brain a boost? That's right, they can help you think better, remember more, and stay focused. So add them to these yummy bites and to your granola, smoothies, and oatmeal. Enjoy some bites today and store the rest in the fridge. I like to serve them with yummy fruits which add more minerals, vitamins, and fiber. So nutritious. I hope you'll enjoy these healthy energy bites. You can take them to a get-together with family and friends. The bites are not only delicious and healthy, but also portable and easy to eat. Perfection! If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Are you ready for the next recipe? Let's make a colorful quinoa salad that is healthy for the heart and full of veggies.